Hey, wanted to create a quick video to talk through a little bit of the setup of the check or of the scanner and making sure that you kind of know how to get it set up, plugged into your computer, and then kind of how it works. So if you ordered the one on the website, it looks kind of like this, and you also should get a booklet with it. Now, in that booklet, it's got a whole bunch of pages of barcodes. From what I've found is that if you go to page 34, there is a QR code website setting. So it looks something like that. You're going to want to like cover up, all the other ones and then just like put it in front of your scanner and scan it. I'm pretty sure that's all you need to do to kind of like activate it for QR codes. And that seems to have worked for me. So if you're not getting the QRs to scan, like that's a good thing to keep. And I keep this booklet just in case you ever need to reset it again. But that's step one. Then you just plug it into your computer. That's basically step two. Once you have that, then you're going to want to come to this screen, which is your check-in screen. How do you get to that screen? Well, on your gym page, so all you should have a URL for your gym page. There's a self check-in link, and you click on that, and now here you go. Okay, so now we're set up. Let's explain kind of how it works. So if you have registered for a class and you try to check in here and you scan the QR code here in a second, it will check you in. If you're not registered for a class, it will tell you you're not registered for a class. If you don't have a membership that's active for that class, it will tell you you don't have a membership that's active. So there are some things that it checks for. Obviously, if you're a coach, you already have a membership, things like that. But for now, I have a class that I registered for. And so I'm going to open up my app. And on the top right corner where my profile is, I'm going to click that. And you're going to see a whole bunch of options. One of them says QR code. So I'm going to click QR code. And now I have this QR code at the bottom. All I need to do at this point is walk by the scanner, scan it, and it's going to check me in. You can see it checked in. Great. Shows what I have. It goes away. So the pop-up shows up, shows that I'm checked in, gives you about 4 seconds to look at it, then it goes in and out the next person. Now, if someone can't get the scanner to work, can't whatever, they can always just type in their name and hit search. And you can find that or they're typing their ID, like my ID is 2, hit search. And then you can bring that information back and you can check in that way too. But the idea is that the scanner, you should be able to walk by, scan it, it pops up, checks you in, you just move on. The next person, by the time they get up to the computer, they're ready to go again, same kind of thing. The only thing you have to be aware of, if someone does go in here and go through the search bar and click on the keyboard, just make sure you always come back and try to put the cursor back in the keyboard and clear it out so that the scanner can work. That's the one thing it needs to be able to work. So I think that's kind of all you need to know. If you have any issues or questions, as always, you can reach out to support at streamfit.com. But this should be a good little tutorial for you. So good luck, and let us know if you have any questions.